Bakit ang galing mo magsalita?
Ng Tagalog or?
Hindi, I mean yung thoughts mo, di ba?
Ah?
Ano ka ba? Writer ka ba dati?
Yes.
Ah,
Songwriter.
songwriter. Anong kanta?
South Border.
Pucha. Anong
Love of
kanta?
my life.
Ikaw nagsulat doon?
Oo, kami ni Jay Dorias.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa
The Alyang Kennels.
Alyang Kennels, di ba? Yung binibisita nating kennels, karamihan is city setup. Pero ito ang legit na farm setup dito sa Diaz Farm, Alyang Kennels. And syempre kasama natin ang owner, si Sir Rain.
Hello.
And Sir Rain, pakilala mo si Indo.
And this is our Harlequin Great Dane, si Wisdom.
Pag sinabing Harley Quinn, ano yung ibig sabihin?
Yung pachi-pachi, batik-batik.
Ah,
So very different to a Dalmatian. So Dalmatian's bilog,
yes.
right? Yung Harlequin Great Danes, parang pinunit na patches.
Okay, now I know. Ito yung literal na lahat na nakikita ng mata mo sa kanya. So, malaki to. 8 hectares?
8 hectares.
Pasok tayo sa loob. Pakilala natin si...
Si Russ.
Ano ka?
This is Russ.
Russ.
Oo.
Ayan.
So Russ co-owner ng Alyang Kennels.
Co-owner ng Alyang Kennel.
Yes, I'm Russ. Hello. Welcome to Alyang Kennel.
Majority ay nyog.
Nyog at saka saba. Actually, 3 hektarya ng saba.
3 hektarya ng saba. I can't imagine 3 hektarya ng saba. Sa Cavite, Sa Cavite ba parang ano na, no? Rare na yung ganito kalaki. Kasi puro subdivision na, di ba?
Oo,
Like
marami.
Amadeo, sa lugar
Yes.
namin, wala nang 8 hectares.
I think so.
Rare, di ba?
Oo.
Okay.
No, it's a very special place. And we're lucky to have it talaga.
Okay. So dito, 3 hectares of saba.
3 hectares of saba. We've planted mga fruit trees dito. Langka, mangga, lansones, atis, rambutan.
Mhm.
On this side naman, mga papaya. Mangga, papaya, may konting rambutan.
Mhm.
And then here we have langka, kasoy, tapos mga papaya. At saka avocado.
Oo, avocado.
Avocado.
Oo.
Avocado namin import pa.
Import.
Import.
Yes, from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Bali,
Oo.
Indonesia.
Vietnam and Indonesia yung mga ano na.
So itong mga tinanim nyo na to, itong maliliit pa,
Mhm.
ito yung produkto ng pandemic.
Yes.
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 Kaya 6 years in the making.
Oo. At saka yung mga ano, yung pinya.
Oo.
Yung pinya na actually dumaan kami sa Amadeo eh.
Mm.
Sa Amadeo at saka sa Silang.
Mm.
Maraming pinyahan.
Maraming pinyahan, correct.
And at the time, talagang
Gusto namin magtanong ng.
gusto namin magtanim.
Mm.
The Hawaiian variety.
Yes.
So yung malalaki.
So, marami na kami na-harvest yan.
Mm. Pag ito siguro, pag tinanggal mo ang mga puno, overlooking ba to ng Manila? Hindi niya pa nakita.
No, hindi pa namin nakita.
Kasi para ano parang yung horizon niya pabagsak eh.
Oo.
And then dito mga boss, makikita nyo, pag tumingin yung camera doon, na andun ang kennel. So naka ano siya, naka fence. Pakita natin kennel. So yan ang kennel. Ang kennel most likely nasa 3,000 ang fence
Square
area.
meters, probably.
Mga ganyan, 3,000.
Alam
Then
mo, hindi kami mahilig talaga magsukat. Hindi kami mahilig magsukat ng lupa. Hindi kami mahilig magsukat ng taas ng aso. So if you ask us, how tall is your dog? I can't tell you.
Yeah. Pero pag tinanong kita kung gaano mo kamahal ang aso mo,
Ay, sobra.
ayan, masasagot natin, di ba?
Oo.
Pag pumalakbak ba ako, lalabas si Wisdom?
Tawagin mo lang, Wiz! Wisdom!
Busy siya. Si Mare, asan na si Mare? Wala na rin, kasama
Wala
ni
na
Wisdom.
rin, baka.
Oo. So mga boss, yung setup, hindi natin na-mention kanina na pwede mo i-mention ngayon. So sa lawak nitong lugar na to, ano ang gusto mong
yeah.
gawin?
So eventually, we want to do a farm stay. farm stay resort that
Mm.
people can bring their dogs, and
Mm.
especially large breeds.
Mm.
Maraming resorts tumatanggap ng maliliit na aso, yung mga toy breeds.
Mm.
But very few welcome large breed dogs, yung giants
Mm.
especially.
Oo, oo. So dito, kahit anong klaseng aso pwede dito?
Yeah.
Oo.
Oo. All dogs are welcome.
Ganda. 8 hectares.
8
So hanggang dun
hectares.
sa nyug na yun,
Yes. Lampas pa.
lampas pa.
Mm.
Pwede tayong mag-shoot ng ano dito. May naghahanap kasi ng ano, ng place na pwede mag-shoot ng indie film
Oh.
na may aso.
Oh, go.
Eh, sabi, kami yung kino-contact, eh, hindi naman pwede sa akin. Sabi, ito na lang i-refer ko.
Okay.
Ito, indie film, oh, pwede dito.
Oh. Wiz, come on. Wiz.
Gwapo.
Mare.
Di ba ang ano, ang Great Dane, kinakrop din sila?
Yes, we have cropped. Makikita mo mamaya. We have cropped
Oo.
ears and the natural.
Okay.
But since Wisdom is a parvo survivor, hindi na namin pinakrop.
Kasi yung...
Ang dami na niyang
Ah,
dinaanan eh. Ang dami
tama.
nang tinusok sa kanya.
1 month sa
Sa,
almost 2 months.
oh, confined.
Hulaan ko magkano, Bill?
Sige, go.
70?
Isa,
70,000?
no, ang layo.
Malayo.
Malayo.
120.
More.
Ano ba to? Quezon City?
No.
Diyan lang, sama din.
Dito, sa Amadeo.
150?
More.
Oo.
More.
Tatlo sila.
3 survivors 11 namatay.
3 survivors. So,
Yes.
mga ano nga yan? Mga...
Huwag na natin bilhan.
Hindi, pero di ba yun yung ano, no? Reality, no?
Yes. So the bigger the dog, the more expenses.
Ayan, oo.
But kailangan tanggapin mo eh.
Mm.
Ginusto mo to eh.
Correct. Oo. Oo. So dito, ito na yung
This is
property.
the house, yeah.
Okay nang ano?
Oo, pwede.
Okay nang. Ayan, so dito nag-stay si Wisdom.
Yes, just here at the front. So when we say that these are free range dogs or he's a free range dog, free range talaga, walang bakod. Here into the property. And he sleeps on his dog bed.
Oo. Ano
Yes.
to, kahit maulan, dito siya.
Yes.
Oo.
Oo.
Mas gusto pa nga niya yung ulan, di ba?
Oo.
Oh, ang galing. Nga lang, sabi mo kanina, may kasama siya, di ba? Dito.
Yes, so si Naomi, but we think Naomi could be pregnant.
Kung wala kami dito, ano mangyayari? Kung wala kayo, ano
Ay,
mangyayari?
hindi ka makakatapak dito sa landing na to.
Ngayon
So-
pa nga lang, nag-growl na eh.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oh.
Ganun siya, ano, ka-protective.
So, sabihin natin gentle giant, but they are still protective of their
Mm-mm.
property. They have
Tama.
cameras, Wiz.
Nag-growl siya, oh. So, dito si Wisdom,
Wisdom.
dito si Marites.
Yes. Tapos, si Naomi dito.
Dito.
Yeah.
Pasok tayo.
Na ano,
This is the place.
this is the house.
This is the house. Ay, may mga ano ka na, oh. May mga awards ka na.
Yes, that's the can you turn on the light? Best in breed. So
Ano?
she's now a Philippine champion.
Yung St. Bernard.
Yes. During the circuit.
Oh, best of breed, oh.
So nilaban namin siya in 12 rings.
Mm.
She won in 11.
11. Oo.
Oo.
Kasi yung last ring, ano yun eh, all dogs na yun, di ba?
Kung wala kang kasamang say isa lang yung Great Dane, yung Saint Bernard or your dog, ang kalaban mo hindi ibang aso eh. Sa una, it's the judge.
Oo.
So sa tingin nila, kung pasok kayo sa standard, that's when they'll award.
Mm.
But kung ayaw nila yung aso mo, or iba yung aso mo sa tingin nila, DQ ang tawag, disqualified.
Mm.
So yun ang nangyari sa kanya. Now she's 10 months old. At the time she was 9.
Mm.
So siguro yung judge nakita niya maliit
Mm.
per Saint Bernard.
Mm.
So na-DQ siya sa isang ring.
Okay. Oo.
Oo. But overall, she got
Oo.
her championship. So our new Philippine champion.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Ito. Notice, oh. Akala nyo sa supero lang meron ito.
I know.
Yan. Butas-butas ang
Oo.
ground. Oh.
Baka pagbalik nyo next year, swimming pool na yan.
Sa laki na nung...
Sa laki nila maghukay.
So ito, sir, ito. Ayan, oh. Ang
Oh,
ganda naman ng
okay.
bahay. Naka-aircon pala.
Yes. Naka-aircon.
Oh. So pumapasok sila doon na gano'n.
Yes, so kwarto talaga yun.
Ang galing ah. Hindi ko
Mm-mm.
na-notice kanina. Akala ko ano siya.
No.
So dito for ano, for nursing or
Yes, that's the nursery. Nursery, ito, ano lang ni Venus, because she needs aircon.
Ah, kasi Saint Bernard.
Yes.
Okay. Ito yung champion ah. Ito si
Si Venice.
si Venice. Ano? Munsur kuha mo si Venice, si Saint Bernard. Yan.
Ba't lalabas siya?
Labas siya mamaya.
Oo.
And then meron kang puppies.
Yes, we have puppies from 2 litters.
Ang
From
ganda.
Ellie and Luna. But Ellie is not a nurturing mother eh.
Mhm.
So Luna is the one that
Siya nagpadede sa lahat yan.
no, just raised the tail end ng whelping.
Oh. Pero ano sila, breastfeeding sila.
Yes.
Okay.
May bottle feeding din. Kung sobrang daming tuta, may bote din.
Kasi hindi niya kakayanin yan sa dami niyan.
Oo.
Ang ganda oh.
But retired na si Luna. Luna's it. Hindi pa kanina we spoke about yung breeding standards sa Australia.
Mm.
They don't allow you to breed more than 5 times. Luna's bred 4 litters. So
Mm.
tapos na siya.
Mm.
So may mga ganun. Like in Australia, a dog can't have more than 3 cesareans.
Ganun.
Oo. So sinusundan namin.
So, yung 4 liters,
Mm.
it doesn't matter kung nag-hit ngayon, hit, sunod-sunod na hit.
Sunod-sunod. No, it's in its lifetime.
Inis
Four-
na.
yes,
4.
4 litters in its
So,
lifetime.
pwedeng sunod-sunod na hit.
Pwede.
Okay, oo. Ang ganda, Hardy Queen ng tawag dyan.
Yes.
Sa kulay na yan. Ayun, maganda rin yung ano ba yun? Yung
Yung
parang
Merle?
Merle ba yan?
Merle,
Oh.
yes.
Libot muna natin yung kennel. So, ito ay nursery area.
Yes.
Okay. Then ito, ang
The adults.
adults. Sinong senior sa mga yan?
Senior, we've got si Disco,
Okay, Saint Bernard.
Saint Bernard, and Shadow.
Shadow.
Shadows are OG.
Oo.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Go. Zo.
Iba talaga ang ano, paano ko ba madedescribe? Kino-compare ko kasi sa mga Kangal saka sa Alabay.
Smell lang, smell.
Yung setup mo, meron kang parang cave.
Yes. Yung den nila.
Oo, din, no?
They still have a run. Even though sobrang lawak ng space,
Meron sila dito.
they still have a run. Hindi ba, a lot of people criticize the large breeds not having beds.
Yes. Totoo.
Winawasak nila eh.
Correct.
So, kung palit ka ng palit, magastos.
Mm.
So, there's only one surviving bed, and this is from Mount Arayat Beds. And he owns Great Danes.
Oo.
And he's an engineer. So, shout out kay Sai. And he designed this bed
So,
for
matibay
Great
yan.
Danes. Matibay. And it's made of parang seatbelt material.
Okay.
Kaso, winasak din ni Shadow. So, nakailang palit na kami. So, enough is enough.
Marami din nakikriticize, dapat daw tiles.
No. First and foremost, it really impacts the structure of the dog. Okay, when we talk about structure, hindi lang yung paa, right? Or yung height. Actually, hindi yung height ng dog. When we talk about structure, we talk about its feet, kung flat-footed, kung splayed,
East-west.
east-west, or hawked, yung likod, yung
likod.
bowed na
Ganun,
parang ganun. Tapos, yung likod, kung hindi pantay.
Oo.
So, imagine a slippery floor. As a puppy is growing up, nagiging ganun, nadudulas. So, paano paglaki ng tuta mo? Ganyan maglakad.
Oo nga. Oo.
So, it needs traction. The best, grass. Talaga. So,
Papansin siya sa akin eh. The best is rough.
the best is rough.
Ganito rin ang setup ko. May problema ka sa garapata.
No, because we give Bravecto religiously.
Yaman, Brabecto.
religiously. That's why ayaw ko masyado marami.
Oo,
Kasi
oo.
magastos.
Magastos.
Oo.
So ito, sino to?
Si Zoe.
Zoe. Siya
Zoe
yung-
is anak ni Shadow, yung black, at saka ni Luna na maraming puppies.
Okay,
This is
okay.
kapatid ni Wisdom,
Kapatid ni
parvo
Wisdom.
survivor.
Ito yung presumed pregnant.
No. No,
Ah, si
no, no.
Naomi yun?
Si Naomi.
Nasa-
Naomi is doon sa kwarto ni Roy.
Kasi pregnant. So, okay, hindi pwedeng galawin.
Oo.
So ito, hindi pa siya na-breed.
No, not yet.
Yung size na yan, ano yan, standard na yan or oversized ba yan?
No, I think she's small because she's a parvo survivor. Eh.
Okay.
So I
oo.
wouldn't be surprised kung medyo maliit siya. Si Shadow would be standard. Shadow!
Ito, standard to.
Standard si Shadow.
Ganda ng temperament, no? Ilang taon na siya?
Mag-6.
Oo.
Yeah, magsi-7. So sinabi mo nga na this is coming up to our senior.
Mm-mm.
But siya? He's so gentle.
Ang kintab, ano? O, tinan mo.
Ng leaning. They will lean. Yan ang trait ng Dane. The leaning.
Ito yung, ito ba yung kulay na gusto niyo makuha o hindi?
No.
Hindi.
No. With the white.
Mas, tapos meron siyang kwelyo.
Yun.
Ganda. Pero ito, tong white mask na to, sa katandaan or ganyan talaga siya?
Ganon talaga yung Black Danes.
Okay.
So, mapapansin mo, may white na mask.
Pero hindi dahil sa tumatanda sila,
No.
kaya ganyan. Talagang ganyan sila. Okay.
Yung wheezing niya, he had a bout of heartworm.
May heartworm siya.
Oo. So, he's recovering.
Oo. So dito sa inyo, meron
Malamok.
kayong heartworm. Oo.
Malamok. Syempre,
Actually, di ba Cavite, basta upland, pagpatak na ng 5:30, yung mga lamok may mga buto eh. Ang sakit
Yes.
kumagat eh.
so yun. So, that's why yung wheezing niya,
So at least you're not hindi mo mini-make up na walang sakit sa kennel mo.
ay, no. Every kennel may dumadaan ng sakit.
Oo.
Parvo nga eh. Our first litter, 11 out of 14 pups were wiped out. That's because maraming ascals dito sa lugar. You can't eradicate that talaga. Hindi mo maiwasan ang mga sakit.
Yun yung kagandahan kasi may mga kennels na pag tinanong mo, ano sakit sa kennel mo?
Wala.
Boss.
Wala.
Walang
Oo.
sakit sa kennel ko. Gano'n lang sila.
No. Let's not pretend.
Tama. Oo.
Hindi maiiwasan talaga.
Hello, beautiful. Oh, Chuck. Ba't ganyan kayo?
Ang bigat. Ang
Ang
bigat
bigat
mo. Okay. Are we gonna let the puppies out?
Ganda.
We'll let the puppies out.
With this...
No, they'll go in. Come on, inside. Inside na. Inside na. Let's go. Shadow, inside. Inside.
Oh,
Uy,
galing.
hindi sa'yo yan. Shadow, hindi sa'yo yan. Dito ka. Go, inside. Oh, inside.
Ayan.
Zoe, ito yung kulungan mo. Zoe, inside na. Huy! Come on, inside. Go.
Zoe! Here, come on.
Inside.
Hindi sila, hindi sila maingay, Asa na si Saint Bernard? Si best of breed.
And this is what I was telling you. Well, she's a show dog. She's our family member. So, dinadala namin to sa ilog. We take her hiking, camping. So, she's, you'll see probably January, December, January, as she prepared for the circuit show sa Araneta. After that, asong probinsya na siya. Maharot to.
Maharot, okay.
And she's big, ha? She's heavy.
9 years old yan.
No, she's...
Sorry, 9
10
months. 10 months. Oh.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Akala nyo, sa Baguio lang may Saint Bernard.
Actually,
Meron din dito.
yung breeding namin, dalawa kami nagpadala. 2 pups of ours.
Oo.
Kapatid nito, nasa Baguio.
Doon sa Saint Bernard of Baguio
Yes.
City?
Yes.
Sino doon?
Si...
Apelyido?
Anong pangalan niya? Renz? Si Renz ba?
Kaya pa. 9 months lang to, ano to?
Babae.
Babae.
Yes.
Parang anong structure, no?
Parang lalaki, no?
Oo. Ganda ng temperament,
So, breeding namin to ni Janice de Belen.
Janice de Belen.
Yes.
Mahilig pa rin siya sa Saint Bernard.
She has, no. So, Disco is also from niregalo ni Janice sa amin.
Masarap palang maging kaibigan si Janice. Nagre-regalo ng aso.
Nagregalo ng aso. Yes, my love.
Din, bigyan namin.
Oo.
Okay.
Panda.
May aso rin, no? Ganda. Sa ngayon, ilan ang dogs mo?
We've got the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 large dogs. Tapos 12 puppies. 11 na.
Okay. So, yung mga adult, hanggang sa ilang aso ka? Siyempre, may limits tayo.
Yeah. Wala pa. Wala pang limit.
Oo, wala pa.
Wala pa. But it'll come to a point na meron.
Oo.
Na when it becomes, sa akin na, unmanageable for us. As we said, maano kami eh. Maalaga kami eh. So, once you stop giving your 100% attention, tigil na.
Mahirap, no?
Mahirap.
Oo.
At saka, very hands-on kami. It's hard to be hands-on kung sobrang daming aso.
Well, I can feel naman sa aso na talagang ano sila. Happy. Galing ng breathing niya.
Oh. Yeah, so we just tried. We tried showing. Kasi ang ganda niya eh. And I've been reading up on the standard. The AKC FCI standard for St. Bernards. At saka ang lahi nito ang ganda eh. Kay Dr. Angeles, Medi Angeles. I think he specializes in Labrador Retrievers ngayon. But dati he had St. Bernards. So siya nagbigay kay Janice. Si Janice naman nagbigay sa amin. So parang paying it forward eh. Ang nangyayari. But sayang naman kung ang linya biglang titigil sa'yo. Kung maganda yung linya. So
Tama.
what I don't want to happen as a breeder,
Oo.
that your line goes to just someone who doesn't respect the line or the breed. Kung inaabuso niya yung breeding, na sunod-sunod yung breeding na walang katapusan, ang nagiging kawawa yung aso, that's when I will start screening kung kanino namin makapupunta yung mga aso, mga tuta. Even if someone, ang dami nilang pera,
Oo,
but if they won't take care of the dog, they won't get a pup. Ganun lang kasimple.
So, paano ka nag-screen ng mga buyers?
Yung mga tanong, it's like, how much time do you spend with your dogs?
So, tinatanong mo yan?
Yeah, diretso.
Australian standard, di ba?
Yes. Oo.
I tried to buy kasi, parang, anong tawag dito? Great Pyrenees.
Oh,
And then,
yes.
Australian yung may-ari.
Okay.
Way back 10 years ago, tinatadtad niya ako ng mga tanong, gaano
Yes.
kalaki ang yard mo?
Oo.
Paano ka, how will you take care of the dog? Ganon.
In Australia kasi, when you apply for a dog, hindi ka bibili you apply for a dog.
You apply.
You apply for a dog. Oo. So, hindi lang basta marami kang pera. Wow, bagsak ito yung pera, bibili ako ng aso. Hindi ganun. You put in, how are you going to, what's the upkeep of the dog, the maintenance for the dog, paano mo maaalagaan. Tsaka may mga kontrata sila. To the point
Sa breeder yan, sa breeder.
Yeah, with the breeder. So, at any stage, kasi mahigpit doon eh. To own a dog, you need to register it doon sa equivalent nila sa barangay. So, may fee yun. If you want to breed a dog, kailangan may license ka to breed. Hindi lang basta mag-set up ka ng ganito. Hindi ganun doon. So, magastos to own a dog, to breed a dog, and to maintain a dog. So, yun ang pinag-iisipan. Madali lang kasi bumili ng aso eh.
Correct.
Super, like, as I was telling you, may mga, mga aso na sobrang mura. Right? Tapos, we've talked about the various diseases. And kung mga peste, kung mapeste yung aso mo, anong mangyayari? Papabayaan mo na lang kasi you can't afford. Tapos kung papakainin mo, magiging to its full potential ng size na ganong kalaki or ganong kakintab yung mga balahibo ng aso mo because you can't maintain the food. Yun ang ano, they're the things to consider. Madali lang mag-outlay ng pera para bumili ng tuta. But it's how long do you want it? Ang dami nga nagsasabi their dogs. So a peak of a dog, especially a Great Dane, is at 2 years old.
Yeah.
No, that's when it becomes its prime. Tanong dyan, how long will it live? Because the care and the maintenance and the support you give your dog will determine how long it will live. These giant breeds, they don't last long. 8 to 10 years sinasabi nila, okay nga kung 12. Pushing it na if it gets over or bonus years na 12 plus. Sa mga nagsasabi, ito yung maganda kong aso, astig, malaki, ganyan. Baliktad ako. Show me the oldest dog and I'll show you a dog with good genetics and one that's very well taken care of. Kasi kung mahaba talaga yung buhay ng aso, you know that it's got good genes
Yeah.
and inalagaan talaga siya.
No, yeah, correct. Well said. Dami itong madaming punchline.
Maraming sound bites.
Oo. Sige. So, puppies tayo?
Oh, puppies. Oh, here we go. These are like zombies, lalabas na,
Zombies,
tatakbo na towards you.
Okay, sige.
Tails wagging, magulo sila. Si Luna is not protective.
Oh, okay.
She's the best mother.
Si Luna is not protective, tapos biglang kinagat ako.
No.
Wow.
So, ang dami nang pumunta dito, tumitingin ng tuta.
Oo.
Luna's just showing them. She's a
Pero,
proud mama.
pero pag may tumitingin ng tuta, talagang ino-off-leash mo rin na ganito?
Yes.
Oh?
Lahat sila.
Talaga?
Oo. Because that's what they're getting.
Oo.
Don't forget, they're getting the DNA of the parents.
Ito, ilang buwan na sila?
3.
3
3
months.
yesterday.
Tibay na. Okay, so nasan dito yung gusto nyong paramihin?
Ay, wala dito.
Mamaya nakatago
yun.
na.
Mamaya yun. Na siya, ear crop. And we'll show you. We'll show you how it's when people want to do shows, na dog shows, it's built into their DNA. Imagine he's 3 months old and he stacks.
Yeah.
At may stacker kami.
Oo nga, nakita ko sa harap.
Sa harap. So we'll bring him out and we'll show you na kung paano siya mag-stack.
Ito, magkano yan? Magkano isa yan?
Okay, so hindi kami mura.
Okay.
Compared to other breeders, hindi kami mura. And that's because we start vaccinating using imported vaccines. So yung bagong sinabi ko, yung
Novivac,
Novivac,
oo.
DP Puppy Plus at 4 weeks. Hindi yung DP Puppy. So we start them off. They've already, up to this stage, they've already had all their shots plus their kennel cough.
Okay.
So ang susunod, anti-rabies na. So we start at around 40.
40.
40,000. Tapos, mura na yon. I think mura na yun,
Mura yun.
For at saka, this is champ line,
40,000 and then yung mga show quality
Yun.
nyo.
So for example, yung keeper namin that we've decided to keep, na lately lang, if someone wants to buy him, he needs to be going to a show home.
Oo.
Para ituloy nila.
Oo. Pero hindi nyo ipagbibili, di ba?
Well, if someone wants to, and if they want to show
okay.
him, why not?
So, yung bang black color, rare ba yun? Yung pure black?
Pure black, yes. Especially if it's what they call the homogeneous black. So which means na yung linya nila comes from an all black. Super rare yun.
Okay.
Ang ngayon with the Great Danes, since maraming nagbebenta ng mura, nasisira yung lahi.
Correct.
Nasisira ang structure. Like, tingnan mo yung mga tindig nila. Oh.
Ang ganda nga eh. Tingnan mo, di ba?
Even she's the runt. She's the runt
Yung
of the litter.
Merle?
Yes.
Yung
But
Merle.
maganda rin yung tayo niya.
Yung tayo nila, well, di ba, ay breed, Kangal, Alabay. Kuminsan talaga bata, meron ng ganun.
Yes. Yeah.
Ito, slight pero hindi eh. Hindi, kumaga part ng pagiging lanky.
Oo. If you look madibdib. Kagaya ni Shadow,
Oo.
when you look at the yung grandsire, yung lolo nila, which is an import from India, napakaganda nun.
Ang ang tawag dito? Ang tatay nito si Shadow?
Yes.
Okay.
Yung kalahating liter.
Kalahati. Ito ang
Oo.
ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng headpiece.
Oo, maganda yung head.
Ito oh. Psst. Hi. Shadow. Shadow, little one. Shadow, little one.
Mainit na.
Ganda. Pink na pink.
Mainit na.
Ano yun, oh? Pag mga aso ko, pag bumaba ka, kakagat-kagating ka na eh. Ito, ano eh,
Hindi eh.
gentle pa rin eh.
That's why it's like when we first started chatting,
Oo.
it's like, baka wala kayong makuhang content kasi
Oo.
they're not fighting dogs, they're not aggressive, they're not...
Galing.
Actually, it's very zen. Yung breed nito fits with the area.
Correct.
Na kalma lang sila,
Yes.
maamo.
Oo. So, ang brindle pala, hindi ano, no? Ang brindle is,
It's a desirable color.
desirable.
Mm.
Pero di ba sabi mo, hindi, gusto ko makita mamaya pala
Sige.
yung
Harlequin yung papakita ko sa'yo mamaya.
Harlequin yun.
Oo, yes. But, iba yung markings niya.
Okay, okay.
At saka iba yung kulay ng mata niya.
So, yung sinasabi mo kanina, no, nandito tayo na...
yung mantle?
Oh, hindi yun
Oo.
yun. Wala
Hindi,
kayo.
wala pa kami. That's
Okay.
why.
Oo.
Keep going until you succeed.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so unang na-notice ko ito. Ano to? Galing ba ng Australia to?
No, local lang yan. That's the fire tree.
Oh, pero merong version na ganyan ng Australia, di ba?
Meron, it's a wattle. Wattle.
Wattle. Wattle.
Mm.
Pero may sinasabing kaibigan ko galing Australia, Australian citizen din na
Mhm.
Filipino. Yung namumulaklak daw sa Australia na puno na ganito ang itsura.
May wattle tree, may jacaranda.
Yeah.
Okay, yung violet.
Chacaranda?
Jacaranda.
Jacaranda.
Oo.
So, jacaranda. Di ba? Pati pronunciation. Naka-live to nakuha na niya yan Okay, so, sige, start. Okay, sir, good morning.
Good morning. Rain.
Napakagandang lugar.
Thank you.
At hindi naman kalayuan, pero ma-appreciate mo yung nature papasok ng Alyang Kennels. Pero bago ang lahat, sir, pakilala ka. Saan ang camera niya? Ito.
Doon.
Sir, pakilala ka sa mga followers ng Supero.
Hello to the followers of Supero. I'm Rain Diaz, owner dito sa Alyang Kennels.
Okay, so na-mention mo din lang yung Diaz.
Oh.
Ako kasi Melvin Diaz. Kaano-ano ba kita? Ano ba, saan ba galing ang lineage ng Diaz?
Diaz. It's sinabi nila taga Bacoor,
Okay.
Bacoor, Cavite.
Mm-mm.
But etong Bailen, dito sa Bailen, our family has been here for a very long time.
Mm-mm.
Dito sa Alyang, I'm the 5th generation
Mm-mm.
to work and manage the farm.
Okay, so definitely hindi kita kalahi kasi ang Diaz namin galing ng galing kami ng Ilocos.
Oh, okay.
Oo, so ang daming Diaz, ano?
Yes, yes.
Pero related ka kay Gloria Diaz,
No.
Paquito Diaz.
Paquito Diaz. No, hindi rin.
Anyway, sir, so yung Alyang Kennel,
Mm.
ano ang ibig sabihin ng Alyang?
Alyang in Tagalog means brown. So kung mapansin mo dito, yung lupa namin, now it's pa-summer. It really means fawn. If we translate it into English, it means fawn or brown. So lakitin ang tawag sa lupa. It's a clay soil. So madali siyang matuyo in the summer and the grasses turn brown. So tong area na to is very brown.
Mhm. Ang alyang is, anong term siya?
Tagalog.
Tagalog siya?
Yes, it's a
Malalim na Tagalog?
malalim na Tagalog.
Alyang
Yeah.
kennel.
So this whole area,
Oh,
hindi
yeah.
lang yung kennels
Oo.
here in Bailen, they used to know this as Alyang.
Alyang.
Alyang Hills.
Etong buong area.
Yes.
At ang Diaz Farm or ang Alyang Kennel is
Mhm.
ilang hektarya to?
8. It's 8
8
hectares.
hectares.
And it's a working farm. So
Oo.
may mga puno ng saba. Dati dito nagtatanim sila ng paminta,
Mhm.
kape,
Mhm.
at saka palayan. Yung yung field sa harap,
Mm.
palayan dati during tag-ulan.
Oo. Sa inyo rin?
Yes.
Grabe. So, kumbaga, ito nakikita natin na fence property, ito yung finance mo dahil obviously may mga dogs ka.
Yes.
Pero yung pala, yung Alyang Kennel, nakalabas pa dun sa
Yes,
ano,
makalabas.
8
So kung
hectares.
mapansin mo, yung aso namin sa harap,
Yes.
si Wisdom. Yung,
Wisdom.
Yes,
Yung
yung
sumalubong sa
Harlequin.
amin.
Yes.
Oo.
So he has the full reign of the 8 hectares.
Wow.
So
Lucky
walang
dog.
bakod eh.
Oo,
Walang
oo.
bakod. As you came in, you noticed, no? So hindi siya maalis.
Kahit may nag-hit na
Yes.
aspin sa
Yes.
labas, hindi siya interested.
No. With us, I guess we follow the Australian mentality of dog raising, no?
Mhm.
Kasi doon ako lumaki eh.
Mm.
If you give the dog absolutely everything that it needs, kung lahat ng kailangan niya, ibibigay mo, hindi siya aalis.
Yeah, oo. Kaya naman siya umaalis kasi kung minsan gutom siya.
Yes, naghahanap
Oo.
ng, or lack of shelter,
Yeah.
lack of food,
Oo.
lack of security.
Mm.
Yung the love and tenderness that the dog needs.
Sa bagay, ganun din sa amin. Pag may nakakawala na aso, hindi siya lumalayo.
Mm.
Nandun lang siya. Kahit nakabukas yung gate, nandun lang siya.
Mm-mm.
So, tama ka dun. Tama ka sa aspeto na yon. Ano-anong breed ang nandito sa Alyang Kennel?
Dito we have Great Danes. So predominantly Great Danes, and we have 2 Saint Bernards.
Yan, nakita ko meron kang yung maliit, ano yan?
Yung Aspin?
Aspin
Yeah.
yun. Ilan ang Aspin?
So isa lang.
Isang
So
Aspin.
si Mare, the way that Mare was dumped here on the property.
Mm.
When we first moved here's a farm, we were walking Shadow, yung black dog namin, Black Dane. Walking doon, nakita namin yung gumagalaw ng mga dahon ng gabi doon. All of a sudden, 2 little heads appeared.
Mm.
Yung pala, someone had dumped 2 dogs
Mm.
doon. So kinuha namin. Took it to the vet. Namatay yung isa of parvo siguro.
Mm.
Nabuhay si Mare.
Mm. Bakit Mare ang pangalan niya?
It was actually Marites and Marisol eh.
Marites. Okay. Got it.
Mga chismosa eh.
Oo,
Yung dalawa chismosa eh.
oo.
Tapos yung isa taga-sulsul.
Kaya Marites at Marisol.
Yes.
Oo. So, napakaswerte ni Mare para mapunta sa Alyang.
Swerte din kami. She takes care of the properties and she raised the 2 sa harap.
Oh.
So, Wisdom and Naomi. Si Naomi baka buntis kaya wala dyan sa harap eh. But usually it's silang dalawa magkapatid. They're from our first litter. And not knowing about breeding at the time properly, na parvo. Nakita mo naman dito pagpasok ang daming aspins, di ba?
Yes,
Na
yes.
na nakakalat. So our first litter, we were very excited.
Mm.
Nilabas namin at a very young age. And at the time, wala pa yung bagong bakuna. Yung
Yeah.
Nobivac na mabibigay mo. Nobivac DP Puppy Plus. That you can give at 4 weeks old. Dati maghihintay ka for 6 weeks, di ba? They were 4 days short of the 6 weeks. They contracted parvo. 14 pups, 11 died. Tapos pinagamot namin silang lahat,
Yeah. Alam ko expenses yan. Malaki
Yes.
yan.
Yes. So, hindi ka makakabenta. You can't sell your pups. You can't do anything. And with the 3 remaining, parang we took care of them. Anyway, back to Mare.
Oo.
As they were recovering from
Yeah.
their parvo, si Marin that took over as the surrogate mother. So
Ah,
yung mentality nung ni Wisdom
oo.
especially na hindi lumalayo galing sa Aspin yun. And that's
Hmm.
training. So that's nurture rather than nature.
Yes, 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 yes. Ang galing. So, bakit the Great Dane? Sa dinami-dami ng breeds,
Yeah.
bakit Great Dane?
Um, I just love the temperament of the Great Dane. When I got my very first Great Dane, wala akong alam sa Great Danes eh.
Mhm,
She taught me all about her breed.
mhm,
And as I as I got to know more about the breed, ang dami ko nakilala ng yung mga OG na Great Dane
mhm,
breeders,
mm,
mga show kennels na nami-meet ko na may mga stud dogs, etc. I just fell in love with the breed.
mm. Ano sila 'no, parang kanina sabi ko nga, how I wish kaya kong gawin 'yun sa mga aso ko, eh.
Mhm.
Yung bantay nga lang ano, eh, parang yung mga aso ko kasi kakagat at kakagat. Yung Great Dane kanina ano, eh, intimidating pero welcoming.
Right. So they're considered a gentle giant,
Ah,
ang
okey.
tawag nila
Oo,
for
oo.
Great Danes.
Mm,
But don't get it wrong na they're still very protective of their property. Kung wala kami dito, hindi kayo makakatapak doon sa um,
hmm.
yung landing doon sa harap
Yes,
ng pinto.
oo,
We've had people that have been pushed up against the wall kasi yung mga
oo,
farmers dito na
oo,
magbibisita,
oo.
hindi sila makagalaw because
Mm,
wisdom's got them standing there. But
mm,
they're alert dogs. We
mm,
wouldn't say they're guard dogs,
mm, mm,
right? But
mm.
they will alert you. Kung may naliligaw na tricycle dito, kasi dati may lumang daan na papunta doon.
Mm,
And I have a reel of that on the page
oo,
na may tricycle na dumaan and si Wisdom sumulubong talaga eh.
hahabulin yung
Oo.
tricycle. Oo,
But he will stand his ground. So
oo,
kahit gusto nila dumiretso, Wisdom will not move from his spot.
mm. Generally siyempre lahat naman ng aso kumakagat pero
Mm.
andun ang Great Dane ba nandun siya sa point na guarding lang siya, hindi talaga siya magcha-charge?
Um,
Or depende pa rin sa
no, depende sa oo,
pagpapalaki,
yeah.
gano'n 'no? Gano'n
Oo.
naman, eh, 'no?
Yeah.
Oo. Pero etong mga sa experience niyo may kinagat na ba sila?
Wala eh.
Wala? Albert, ikaw ang unang kakagatin ha, mamaya. Kailangan may makagat.
Okay.
Sige, so, um, kailan nagsimula ang Alyang?
Alyang Kennels started 2020 during
Okey.
the pandemic.
So, pandemic ito. So, it's a
Pandemic.
pandemic story. So,
Yeah.
anong hugot behind the pandemic?
Well, I was a stressed out exec at the time,
Okay.
working from home. Tapos, I was inside
Mm.
working,
Mhm.
taking calls, doing
Mm.
conference calls,
Mm.
working morning till night.
Mm.
Tapos nakikita ko yung mga kasama ko dito.
Mm.
Um, playing with the dogs, planting trees.
Mhm.
It's like, I want to be part of that eh. Gusto ko lumabas.
Okey, oo.
Um, we had a very nice dog at the
Mm.
time. And she passed away, kumain ng palaka
Mhm.
dito. One of my Great Dane breeding mentors and show mentors
Mm.
um, offered me a pup as a
Mhm.
replacement for the dog that died.
Mhm.
Wala siyang obligasyon na bigyan ako ng tuta. Um, but out of his kindness na binigyan niya ako.
Mhm.
Uh, the dog that wasn't able to be shown kasi
Mm.
walang dog shows during the pandemic. So that's how it started.
So ano 'to, parang masasabi ba natin na yung dog o yung Great Dane is siya yung nagpa-paradigm shift ng life mo?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely it was.
Oh,
Oo, ang aso that made me realize there's more to life
wow. Ba
than
totoo?
just working. Oo.
Mm.
It's the environment, it's the dogs, but it's really the dogs.
So, anong, comparing your life before and after with dogs, ano ang pagkakaiba? Is it less stressful?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Less
Oo,
stressful. Um, it's actually really fulfilling. You
oo.
can climb the corporate ladder,
Mm.
but that's a daily stress.
Mhm.
Ito, maghahanap ka kung anong gagawin mo eh, with your
Mm,
dogs.
mm, mm.
Where you're going to take them, how you're going to socialize them, how you're going to train them, how you're going to groom them. There's always something to do na with your dogs. Hindi mo lang pwede silang iwanan eh.
Mhm. Okay. So, sa ngayon, ano ang pinakamatandang Great Dane mo?
That'll be Shadow. He's coming up to 7. 6.
7.
6 years old.
6 years old na.
Yeah.
Kasi kung 2020,
2020. Yes.
oh, so 6 years old. So, tama
Mhm.
nga, 6 years old.
Yep.
So, yan yung mga age na yan. 6 up, yan
Yes.
na yung senior years eh.
Yes.
So, paano mo dinadala yung possibility na mawala sila? Are you ready for it?
No, you're never ready. You're never ready to lose a dog. I can remember losing my first Dane and I was devastated. It's just Shadow came and was a distraction.
Mhm.
You never forget. Parang tao lang yun eh.
Mhm.
Na um, the pain gets easier.
Mhm.
Oo.
Pero ano yun, kasi maraming ganyan, no? Kasi di ba recently ang Supero, we had a pandemic, di ba?
Aha.
So namatayan ako ng mga
Yes.
dogs. And then ang daming nakarelate na mga dog owners.
Mm.
And then ang tanong nila sa akin, nagde-direct message sila, boss, paano ka naka-get over?
Mm.
Sa'yo, from may experience ka na ng death of
Yes.
a dog,
Yes.
paano ka naka-get over?
As I said, hindi mo makakalimutan. One thing that we do, since we're breeders, we continue the legacy through our
Mhm.
breeding. So um, we try to breed as close to the temperament
Mhm.
of the originals that we have, our foundation dogs.
Mm, mm.
Kasi sila nag-umpisa eh.
Mhm.
So yung characteristics nila, yung look nila, yung personality nila, temperament,
Mm.
you're not trying to replace them, but you're
Oo.
trying to sustain that.
So parang kahit papaano, yung remembrance nung
Yes.
dead Dane mo, nandun pa rin sa ano mo,
Oo.
okay.
Yeah.
Tama yun, hindi naman talaga irreplaceable talaga eh, no?
Hindi.
Meron lang dadating na bago, pero kung minsan, ang pangit doon, baka hanapin mo yung ugali nung namatay dun
Oo.
sa current.
And they're still ano.
Unfair yun, unfair.
Yes, very unfair.
Oo.
Kasi their personalities evolve eh. At saka iba-iba din.
Mm.
Ang mga aso parang tao lang eh when it comes to their personalities. They have their own yung mga traits nila
Mm.
na that's very unique.
Mhm.
Mm.
Eto, itong Alyang Kennel, it's 6 years old.
Yeah.
How do you see Alyang Kennels 10 years from now?
Wow. Okay. So at the moment we're enjoying it. We're
Mhm.
enjoying the breeding. Our objective is to produce quality standard Danes that we can show.
Mhm.
Now, if that means importing dogs, so be it.
Mhm.
But 10 years from now, I'd like to be showing.
Yeah.
I'd like to produce yung goal namin for show quality dog
Mhm. Mhm.
na colors na talagang gusto namin
Mhm.
and maybe import.
Yeah. Yung iba kasing mga show kennels,
Mm.
ano sila eh, parang, well, ang analogy ko nung pagkakita ko nung lugar, ano siya eh, meron ka ng farm and
Yes.
Danes need vast of land para
Mm.
ma-fulfill sila. And then sasamahan mo pa ng show
Yeah.
na magpapaganda ng structure ng aso,
Yes.
temperament, parang perfect combination. So
Hopefully.
I think you're in the right track ng
Thank you.
kasi maraming mga show kennels yung maliliit yung kennel.
Mm-mm.
And then, 'di ba, parang pagtitingnan mo, tight yung mga dogs doon. So, at least ito parang nare-replicate nila yung life nila way back 50 years ago.
Yeah. It's funny you should say that kasi yung si Wisdom sa harap,
Mm.
meron kaming baboy dati eh.
Mm.
Um, and they were bred to hunt wild boar.
Mm.
Si Wisdom, katabi niya yung baboy, nakikipagulong-gulong doon sa putik. And it's like,
Mm.
that trait has been bred out of them,
Yeah, oo, oo.
so malayo na tayo
Malayo na,
doon.
oo.
But in terms of, tama ka, yung kalawak ng space, and we've had people come here who have owned Great Danes for a very
Mm.
long time, first time nakita nila, tumakbo ang Great Dane
'Di ba
na,
ang ganda tingnan?
oo, parang kabayo daw.
Oo,
So,
oo, oo.
and sometimes I take it for granted, no?
Mhm.
Being here for how many years, at nakikita namin sila tumatakbo every day,
Mm.
it's you take it for granted sometimes.
That's very seldom. Kung ang Great Dane ay nakatira sa city, hindi niya magagawa 'yun.
Oo.
Kasi
Yeah.
you need a vast of land to do that. Lastly, para sa'yo, ano ang dapat ginagawa ng isang masayang aso or ng isang happy
Oh,
dog?
wow. Um, okay, so here at Aliyang, because I grew up in Australia and I've owned many dogs in Australia from when I was a kid, we follow the rules and the regulations of what the RSPCA in Australia, the Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Dinala ko yung philosophy and mentality dito in breeding,
Mhm,
okay, and in raising dogs.
mhm,
So it's about the care that you give, the amount of attention that you give, and the way that you raise your dogs.
mhm,
Um, a happy dog, they say to me that you can tell a dog by its coat, the
mhm,
level of health and happiness, kung makintab yung coat nila.
mm,
So for me, um, I'd say wisdom at the front,
mhm.
yung aso na walang bakod, is the epitome of our dogs.
Yeah,
Na hindi siya lumalayo kasi kontento siya. We give him the nourishment he needs. We give him the shelter he needs. We give him the attention that he needs. Um, and in turn, he gives us loyalty. So our loyalty to him, and he gives us loyalty back. For me, that's the essence of owning a dog.
yeah, perfect. Last na lang, sa camera, invite natin sila sir sa page ng Aliang
Hi,
Kennel.
thank you. So our page is Alyang Kennels, PHL, on Facebook and Instagram.
Oo, ang kikinis no? Ba't ang kikinis niyo? Ha? Oo. Ang ikli talaga ng balahibo nila. Ang haba ng tenga. Ito, pwede pa i-crop to.
Yes. So it's coming up to... At saka kung saan kami nagpapa-aircraft kay Dr. Pareño, sa Pareño, sa Quezon City.
Quezon City, oo.
He's the best. He really is the best.
Mm.
At saka, ang bilis na
Gumaling?
yes.
Mm.
So, they've been saying lahat ng breeders
Mm.
say that he's the best.
Lambing nila. Pag clean up mo nga to ng sagad, baka alabay na itsura nito.
So what made you choose Alibay?
Robustness. And then yung attitude. Ang Great Dane kasi, ang bait eh.
Yes.
So, gusto ko yung yung merong may intimidating at saka talagang pumapatay.
Ito kasi pang bahay talaga.
Pero maganda to sa akin. Pag namatay na yung mga old generations, pwede ako mag-introduce. Kasi pwede siyang yung pag may bisita ka, welcoming committee mo.
Yes. Mas lalo na pag nandyan yung babae
Oo,
sa harap,
oo.
si Naomi.
Anong palagay mo sa adopt don't shop na mentality?
Okay. So I have a thought on this. You know exactly what you're gonna get when you get the purebred dog. For example, let's not use Danes and let's use the Doberman. No,
Oo.
makikita mo yung Doberman nanalo sa yung dog show sa Westminster si
Oo,
Penny.
oo.
Tell me, you're gonna find a dog of that standard in a home or in a shelter for adoption?
Mm.
Absolutely not.
Correct.
That dog was bred to a standard, to a quality na beyond. So, yung mentality na yun has a place. Every dog deserves to be loved. Tama. But there are breeds that deserve to be maintained and for its genetics to be sustained. Yun, ganun lang kadali yun. If you want a dog that's predictable in temperament, in its look, in its in the way that it's natured, get a pure breed. But if you want a dog for companionship, just to love a dog, adopt. I'm all for it. In-adopt nga namin si Mari.
Si Mari. Oo, tama.
Every dog deserves a home. But there are certain dogs
Oo.
that need to be maintained and elevated.
Meron kasi mga masyadong purist na parang pag you own an imported dog, sasabihin sa'yo hindi ka dog lover. Kasi wala kang aspin.
I know. You love a breed so much that you want to maintain that. Ganun lang kasimple yun.
Yeah.
And it's not about not caring and you're not a dog lover. To own a dog, you have to love a dog.
Bakit ang galing mo magsalita?
Ng Tagalog or?
Hindi, I mean yung thoughts mo. Di ba?
Ah?
Ano ka ba? Writer ka ba dati?
Yes. Songwriter.
Songwriter. Anong kanta?
South Border.
Pucha. Anong
Love
kanta?
of My Life.
Ikaw nagsulat doon?
Oo, kami ni Jay Dorias.
Sabi na nga eh. Alam mo, I can sniff, di ba? Parang may something eh. South Border.
Yes. Pinsan ko yung manager ng South Border. Cousin-in-law ko si Jay Dorias. And when we wrote Love of My Life, we were very young. 97 yun eh. Nagbabakasyon lang ako dito sa Pilipinas. Signal number 3. Nililigawan niya yung pinsan ko.
Oh.
Muntik na siya nahuli ng tito ko upstairs, nadaanan ko lang. So nagkunyari, nagtutugtog kami doon sa balcony para hindi siya mahuli.
Okay.
Love of My Life was born.
Nice.
Bakasyon ako dito.
Then naging sila.
Naging sila, kinasal sila.
Kinasal sila.
Oo.
Nice.
Yeah.
Love of my life.
Yun.
Paborito. Ano pang
Co-writer.
songs ang sinulat?
For them as well, The Way We Do. Yung title track nung one of their albums. Oo.
And then sa iba?
Dati gumawa kami, or gumawa ko, isasubmit lang. That's the way songwriting is done eh. Gawa ka lang ng gawa, sasubmit ka doon sa, to the studio or to the label, tapos sila mag-a-assign.
Kailan lang kahapon, pinag-uusapan namin kasi si Monsur, ano yan eh, songer yan eh. Maganda
Okay.
boses. So sabi ko,
Oo.
ba't hindi tayo gumawa ng kanta? Di ba? Kasi ako, kumbaga, nagsusulat din ako. Susulat-sulat. Sabi ko, ba't di tayo gumawa ng kanta?
Gumawa kayo ng kanta.
Yeah, sa amin lang naman eh.
Oh, there was a song, The Way We Do. I wrote that at the airport on the back of a Starbucks napkin when I was heading back to Australia for school. Bakasyon lang ako dito at the time, tapos naging title track nila. So, yung sabi nila, kailangan humugot ka ng inspiration. You get inspiration from everywhere.
Pag ganyan ba, halimbawa, anyway, Love of My Life, di ba? Hanggang ngayon, piniplay pa rin yan.
Yes.
You make out of it pa?
May royalties.
May royalties?
Oo.
Oh, galing.
Gumawa kayo ng kanta.
Gawa tayo ng ano.
Oo, produce mo na.
Sabi nga namin.
You have a sound studio eh.
Hindi pa
Diba?
naman ganun ka, no? Hindi pa ganun kaganda. Pero hirinig pa rin yung tahol ng aso eh. So sabi ko, pag ako nainis dito, ano na to, talagang pe-personalin ko na.
So I can remember nung early 2000s bago ako umuwi dito na before 2010 kami ng mga pinsan ko sabi doon sa lupa nyo pwede kayong gumawa ng ng sound recording studio dyan na imagine yung overlooking tapos
Oo nga eh.
naka may recording booth.
Oo. Galing. So ano ka pala, ha? Writer ka talaga. Ano pang hindi ko nice
Ang hindi natin ako cover.
Hindi ka naman director.
No, hindi ako direct. Yan. Patingin. Patingin, ang ganda mo mukha.
Huwag masyado ilalapit. Ano sa'yo? I-zoom mo na lang.
Good girl.
Oh, tama, iba yung flickering ng tangye. Oh.
Siya yung dam ng liter
Dam ng...
G.
Liturgy. So, siya yung hindi na nagpadede, ayaw nang nayapakan niya yung isang anak niya. But I think.
Ganda.
So, pinaano namin to, na ampon namin.
Ampon.
Yes. So, there was somebody who wanted to put her to stud. Good girl. Good girl.
Kaso yung may-ari,
OFW.
Nasa UK. So hindi niya na daw maalaga.
Maalagaan. Tapos, hindi rin marunong yung kamag-anak niya.
Mm.
So, we adopted her.
Okay.
But we didn't know. Tapos binigay sa amin yung PCCI niya. She's from a long line of champions.
Mhm.
Na ang ganda ng ano niya, lahi niya.
Ellie.
Ellie.
So siya yung inaaway niya yung iba. Ganun.
Oo.
Mm.
Hindi naman palagi
Pero ano, madalas.
na may sumpungin.
Sumpungin siya.
Oo.
Nakuha namin yung ice.
Zinom ko.
Ellie.
Zinom ko.
Ellie.
Sino mo. Oo.
Ana Zoom. Okay.
Tama?
Ayan, kuha na mo ulit. Pwede na siya. Tingin ko pwede na siyang ano.
Hindi na siya magagalit.
Pwede na siyang ano.
But tignan mo yung tindig niya.
Oo nga eh.
It's like her curve. She's got good top line.
Actually, yung top line ng ano, yung pinakamahirap.
Oh.
Kasi nagsusway back yan.
Yes.
This one. 3 years old? 4?
She is 3.
3. Si Marites, pwede kay Buhawi. Ayun. Parehong pahaba. Ito yung stocking table.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Hindi, pro eh.
Pagka mas malaki, Pro Max.
Ready?
Yes, sige. Ihanda ko yung ano.
What's special with that puppy?
Yes.
Kaso nakatira siya doon.
Pwede pa sumunod.
Oh, wag mo na ako sundan.
Ay, gwapo nga. Oh. Heavy bone. Kaya naman pala pinaka-ingat-ingatan eh. Ganda. Ganda. Sino nag-stock dito? Kaya kong stock siya?
Oo.
Dyan na siya, hindi na siya nag-stock dito?
Hindi, nag-stock pa rin.
Okay.
Yan, yun yung natural stock niya pag ano. Pero tinitrain pa namin siya.
Ang ganda rin ng mata. Ang lapad ng ano, ng ito, itong muzzle oh.
Yes. Kaya yung shadow nakuha.
Kaya ano,
Tatay
kaya ano to, keep talaga to. Ganito itsura. Yan mga boss oh. Tingnan mo na may mukha na yan. Ang temperament, ang ganda. Lalaki. Ha, madami kang ano boy. Marami kang aanakin. Marami kang titirahin. Ang ganda oh. Anak to ni
Shadow at saka si Luna. Ay, Ellie.
Ellie.
Yung last.
Yung last,
Yes.
Shadow Ellie. Imagine mo yung pang ina-adapt sa inyo, yung pa yung nag-produce ng ano, no?
maganda.
Maganda.
Actually, dun sa anak ni Luna din and Orson, meron na dalawa. Nandun na kay Jinggoy. Nakauna siya dun sa dalawa.
Binili na niya. Jinggoy is, Jinggoy.
Buen Suceso.
Ay, yung sinasabi mo
Yung
artist.
artist.
Hindi, pag ganito, ano, pwede sa bahay to. Yung ganito yung tsura. Ah. Pag magde-dane tayo, ganito agad. Kuha tayo kay Aliang. Ganda ng mata. Ah, di ba? Impressive, no? Impressive, right? Oh. Bata pa yan. 3 months, di ba? 3 months?
Magti 3 months pa lang siya
Oh, multi 3 months pa lang.
sa 28. Dami na nga nag-inquire sa kanya. Kaso,
Pero pag ano, if the price is right,
yes.
pwede. Yung si Buen Suseco, Alfonso siya, no?
Yes. Backstage.
Parang familiar sa akin. Paano kung
Ano,
dan?
asahan ni Muto.
Oo nga. Pero may nagsabi sa akin sa kanya before eh.
Hey, baby.
Stock siya.
Yeah.
Sa Stalker Pro Max.
Yes.
Sige, go.
Ganun. Pag mag-i-stock pala, kailangan may treat.
Sa training. But pag matanda na, or may edad na, hindi na kailangan ng treat.
Okay.
May bait, what they call bait.
Bait.
Yung,
Bait pala ang tawag pag sa show.
Mm-mm.
Ayun. Ayun, oh.
Okay.
Mhm. Kaya, nga naman, gumaganda yung tsura, lalo.
Oh, go na.
Sige.
Ganon. Nice one. Harley Quinn. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda pag nakakrap, no? Tsaka tinan mo, ito yung kaibahan niya sa iba. Yung
Oo,
muscle niya.
yung muzzle niya.
Mm.
So it's, I don't know what it is about this dog. It's built into his DNA
Mhm.
na gumaganito. We noticed this from 2 months old.
Mhm.
Sinubukan lang namin. Try lang. Kasi ang ganda ng markings niya eh.
Mhm.
Show quality markings.
Mhm.
Adjust mo ng card.
Oh.
Pag dito ka titignan. Ganda.
So you can see the top line, the box.
Mhm.
Dito.
Tsaka yung good part niya.
Oo, the croup.
Nice, oh.
Boy, good boy.
Ang ganda. Pag i-out siya, magkano?
Ito, we're saying 95.
95.
Oh,
Not bad.
not bad, diba?
Oo.
Ba't maraming namamahalan pa?
Oh, not bad yun. 95.
Oo.
Ito may quality, oh.
Kaso, ituloy yung pag-show niya. Sayang ang training.
Mhm. Pero yan, yung presyo mo, pag nag 4 months, ganun pa rin.
Oo, ganun pa rin.
Ganun pa rin.
Yeah.
Okay. Hindi na magdadagdag.
Hindi na magdadagdag. Except kung once he's off the stacker na, pag free stacking na siya, yun magdadagdag.
Mm. Ganda na itsura. Ang ganda. Ano to? Lalaki?
Lalaki. Yes.
Pag nakita to ni Tiger, si Jay. Jay, may great day.
Meron isa pupunta sa Davao.
Galing Davao.
Hindi.
Pupunta.
Nabili na.
Yes.
Nabili na.
So, ganun din. Ganito din yung katawan, yung trainability niya. Actually, mas okay siya mag-stack kaysa dito.
Nasaan na yun?
Nandun.
Nandyan pa rin.
Nandiyan pa rin.
Nakatago.
Nakatago.
Okay.
Baka may mag-offer pa eh.
Ah,
He's going to Davao na on the 7th of March.
Next week pa ang ano niya.
Oh.
Ang lipad niya.
Lipad niya.
marami pala kayong tinatago niya.
Maano na yung ano niya, kailangan natin i-adjust.
I-adjust.
Ano,
Actually maganda yung white, no? Na Harley Quinn na maganda, no?
Yes.
Yes. At saka full color siya.
Full color. So that's the show desirability. Walang markings dito sa leeg.
Ay, ganun.
Yun ang hinahanap ng sa show.
Hindi, ito. May konti. Okay na.
Oo, that's ano. But basta may pure na white na,
Oh, okay.
na color lang.
Galing, ha?
Tumagal na siya.
Oh, more than 5 minutes na, no?
Oo.
Kasi we don't train more than 5 minutes. Pabang na.
Oh, okay.
Kasi they're
Muscle
still
memo-
puppy. Muscle memory.
Everyday lang is muscle memory lang.
5 minutes max per day.
Mm.
Good boy. Good boy.
Pero dun sa mga nakatago, ito na yung pinaka
Yes.
prime.
Ah. He's our potential keeper na.
Meron din kaming female kasi hindi pa crop.
Hindi pa cropped yung female.
Mm.
Siya yung parang si Ellie, one brown, one blue.
Oo.
Yun, pwede mo kunin. Si
Pakita natin.
si Justice, ay si ano? Treasure.
Pressure.
Treasure. Treasure! Come on.
Come on.
Ito ay
Babae.
Babae.
wala pa. Wala pang
Wala pa may-ari. Treasure, come on. See how she has the... Kunin mo yung ano.
Excited siya.
Pick her up. Para makita yung mata. I don't know if she stacks.
Hindi nasanay.
Hindi lang yung pinatrain.
Pero ito, for keep din.
No, this one's for sale.
Ayan, meron na sila. Ayun, yung alam mo.
Yung tenga.
Magkapatid sila.
Ganda. Ganda sila.
Sabi Mark.
Hi, treasure.
Huwag kayong magbangasan at yung tenga mo. Mahirap ayusin yung posting mo. Anong pera mo? Dito ako.
Justice.
Si Justice. Langki to yun.
Oh, awkward pa.
Awkward. Pero to, maganda sa bahay yung ganito. Puti, yung mga puting kulay. Ganito. Welcoming community mo, the Great Dane. Pag gusto mo ng basagan, punta ka sa inner farm, hindi yung mga kangga, lalabay. Pero yung pag gusto mo kalmado lang, ganito. Sana mapanood ng asawa ko to.
So
Ako'y
meeting
nananawagan.
namin, sige.
Ako'y nananawagan na mag-release ng pondo. Sasabihin niya, kakasakit lang ng mga aso mo eh. Na-release ka na naman.
Sige, iyan na muna.
Okay, very good na. Very good.
Good.
Ang ganda ng ano. Yun ang gusto ko yung ganito yung muzzle.
Oo.
Ito. Ang lapad. Kakaiba yung muzzle niya.